how to pin a location on Google Maps. So for example here, I want to pin this area between Georgian house. So what you want to do on the specific area, you want to long press it until this red pin appear, and then you can click save beside directions, and then click new list, and then tap on create, and it will be saved right here. And for someday, if you want to remove it, what you want to do, you want to go back to your first page of Google Maps and then tap on U at the bottom of your screen. And then on the location that you just saved before, you want to click these three dots and then tap on this hide on your map. And if you see it, it was gone. And if you want it to appear again, you can just click on U again and click on three dots and click on show on your map. There you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.